Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to delete your Google search history. Open Google app. Click search. Here you can see all your search history. If you want, you can delete your search history one by one. Select the one you want to delete. Click delete. If you want, you can delete your all search history with one click. Click profile icon. Then click search history. Here you can see all your search history. Click delete. Select delete all time. Click next. Click delete. Click got it. Thanks for watching.